Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be talking about my PT Hub, which is my favorite thing for trainers. So if you want to get your lifestyle together and your training plans, this is the one for you. So we will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about my PT Hub, and yeah, we'll compare pricings. So let's kick it out with my PT Hub. What it is? It's an online web application that lets coaches, personal trainers and gym owners run and manage their clients by creating tailored training and nutrition programmers. It is all-in-one software that can be used to track clients' progress levels, develop and assign custom meal and nutrition plans in an efficient manner, besides creating specific workouts, regimes to match the needs of individual clients. My PT Hub is laden with a variety of features that combine convenience and intuition remarkably. Client admin feature presents within the same allows users to develop and manage their clientele by sending personalized notifications, progress photos and client-wise notes, besides asking them to fill questionnaires illustrating the desired outcomes. With the branding feature, my PT Hub encourages its users to develop their personal brands and markets them to garner a specific audience. Other essential features present within the same, like calendar, business, marketplace, finance, event stream, and instant chat turns out of a great help. Beyond this, my PT Hub is also compatible with Fitbit Plus, Google Active, and Apple Watches for an immersive experience and better goal tracking. It's meant to be for individuals, large enterprises, but I don't really think that's a thing. Medium and small businesses like your local gyms, for example. When we check the pricing, what we can get, we can go monthly or annually, and this will unlock all the features of my PT Hub. If you want to be billed annually, you will save a bit more. It's 42 euros a month. But they are providing this very nice 30-day free trial, so you can find out if my PT Hub is the one that you want to kick it off with. So let's go with full name. Let's go with Matt King. Yeah, we are accepting those. Email address. Let's go like this. Yeah, we're missing a letter. And then let's go with password. So we don't want to set up it right now. Let's go with big gym. Okay, that's a better way. Oh, it's already taken. Okay, Slovakia, and also they want our phone number. So let's go like this. Theme, you want to go with something easy to read. Let's go with I really like energy. Not really. Motion or stack. Stack is nice. And also, if you have your logo, you can really easily go and upload it. Okay, that's not the suitable. It has to be a square. Tell us about you. Yeah, let's go like this. 013 of March. Let's go with create an account. And as you can see, all of those are pretty intuitive, easy steps, and everyone can do that. So which best describes your style? Let's go with classes. What are you here to do? Work smarter, not harder. And as you can see, you can upload or download, sorry, the app from the internet. So you'll be basically having everything in your computer or your mobile phone. And we are here. We are at our first My PT Hub Net dashboard. As you can see, straight away you can upgrade it, but I don't know if you want to do it straight away. Then you have your register or referrals. Then notifications, also your account, and then your hub. This is a bit overlapping, but we can manage. Let's go like this. On the left side, we can see we have a contact. We can easily add a contact and work with them in the future. You see, you have every single. Let's go and create it for the lols. Let's go. It's a client. Assign contact. Matt King. Date of birth. Okay, this would take a long. Client, you can add the weight. Let's go with 70 and 160 centimeters, and it's a female, and we can add a contact. As you can see, Mr. T. Gibson is pre-created by My PT Hub, but also you can see you can have tons of clients to work with. This is very nice. This is a very nice program if you're in charge of a couple of trainers. So every single one will have the client, and every single client will have its own personal trainer. You can create a workout, create a nutrition plan, create a program, upload file, create package, calendar booking, and also chat with a client. For example, right now it's only Tom Gibson available. As I said before, it's the client of it's pre-made by My PT Hub. Let's just go with create workout. Let's go with heat, create, and add exercise. And as you can see, this is where it all are very, very nice. They have their own basically video footages of everything that you are supposed to do. Let's go with this one, around the world, cross-body hammer curl, and foot presses. Like, I mean, there are just tons of them. Tons of them. So when we are okay with everything, we just add exercise to workout, and we can see that we have our workout here. Then seated alternating hammer curls, you can go with the weight in kilograms, how many reps, or what will be the exercise counting, reps, rep range, time, body weight, or whatever. Let's go with reps, and let's go with 10. Weight, 5, tempo, time, body weight, or not available. As you can see all the videos, and then rest periods, minutes and seconds. And like this, you can go with anything. And your workout here will be, as you can see, there's one unread chat. Yeah, funny. Then nutrition plans, same stuff. Also, you can go with basically the calories, efficiency, and set up your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and also the liquids. Everything is very, very easy to do, and you can follow it through with you and your employees and your customers. If you have more questions about my PT Hub, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible, and you can expect more videos about my PT Hub. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.